Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following me for a while, you know I love skincare, good food and traveling. So lately I've been playing around with different shopping portals, trying to see how I can get the best of both worlds, still enjoying all my different skincare and going out for dinner, but still getting rewards so I can travel. So Rakuten is a free shopping portal that you can use to get cash back or points. So you can get Amex or Bilt points for the things you're already buying anyway. Like this week alone, I got 15% back at Lululemon, 11% at Expedia, and 2% at JCrew and Saks. And I'm going to be taking all that cash back and turning it into travel points. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Rakuten portal, how to use it for shopping to get the maximum rewards, and also how you can stack different coupons and using specific credit cards and things so you can get more and more and more points or cash back for each purchase that you make. And if all of this sounds good to you, then definitely go and check out my description box below. I've got a link where you can get $50 cash back or 5,000 points just for signing up and shopping through Rakuten. All right, let's jump into it. So what exactly is Rakuten? It's a totally free online shopping portal that partners with up to 4,500 stores. So we're talking Apple, Ulta, Sephora, Lululemon, JCrew, Saks, Society6, even stores like CVS and Walgreens. So when you click through Rakuten before shopping, the store actually pays Rakuten a commission for referring you, and then Rakuten splits that commission with you as either a cashback or points. When I first started using Rakuten, I was like, no way is it this easy. But honestly, it really is. All you need to do is just one extra click before you start shopping, and then boom, you're going to get your cash back or points. Okay, so let's go and look at the Rakuten app and browser, and I'll show you how it really works. So all you need to do is download the Rakuten app and sign up. So I recommend signing up with my link in description because you're going to get $50 cash back, which is a really great start to your Rakuten cashback journey. So once you've downloaded the app and you've signed up for Rakuten, all you need to do then is just start looking for things that you want to shop for. So at the top where it says search stores and products, you can just type in any of your favorite stores. So just say Sephora and that will come up, and you click on shop now and it says congratulations, you're on your way to 2% cash back. And then as you can see, it just looks like the regular Sephora website, but because you went via Rakuten, you're going to get 2% back on any of your Sephora purchases. And then you just check out like normal, and then once your order goes through, Rakuten automatically adds your cashback or points to your account. Okay, so let's jump over to the browser, open Chrome, and then type in Rakuten.com, and then you want to download the browser extension. So you just click on that, and then you sign up or you sign in, and then you just start shopping. So again, you can just search for stores up the top there. You can click on any of the different icons and things. Okay, so let's look at Sephora again. So you just type in Sephora there, and then you'll see it comes up and says 2% when you shop online. And then when you click shop now, you'll see that activates it. But another way to do it, because you have the browser extension downloaded, is just type in Sephora.com, and then in a second or two, it'll actually pop up saying, hey, we've got a Rakuten deal for you. You can get cash back. So I love Rakuten because it just feels like free money. So you can cash out through PayPal, or if you're into points like I am, link your American Express or your Bilt card, and then you can convert your cash back into points. So let me show you how you can choose how you get paid. So within the app, go to your account and then click on choose how you get paid. As you'll see there, there's a few different options. We've got Bilt, we've got American Express, we've got big fat check. So they'll send a check to you in the mail, or PayPal. So it's really simple. All you do is just select the option you want and then put in your details. So you'll link it to Bilt, you'll link it to American Express, you'll put your address details in there for your check or your PayPal details. Super simple. I love how easy they make Rakuten to use. Okay, so now let's talk about cashback and points. So the percentage of the cashback you're going to get just depends by brand, and it actually depends on the day or even the year. Like around the holidays, there's often elevated cashback bonuses you can get. So just keep an eye out for those, because the higher the percentage is, the more cashback or points you're actually going to get. So if you end up with $10 in Rakuten cashback, that's actually equal to 1,000 points. But if you use a credit card that gives you 1x on every dollar spent, then that's actually $1,000 of spending that you needed to do to get 1,000 points. Whereas you can see on Rakuten, you can get that 1,000 points so much quicker. I personally value points higher than cash because I can book flights, I can get upgrades, I can get free hotel stays, and just all those fun things that I really love. But honestly, if you prefer cash back, that's the beauty of Rakuten is you can get cash back or you can get points via Amex and Bill. Okay, so this is where things get even more fun because you can stack your Rakuten cash back or points with credit cards that actually give you more and more points and even like different coupon codes and things. So you can like stack and get like 2, 3, sometimes 4 times back the benefit just on the one purchase. So let me show you a couple of examples. So last weekend, I ended up buying some slides and socks from Lululemon and I purchased them through Rakuten. So at the time, Rakuten had 15% cash back when you shopped at Lululemon. Then I used my American Express Platinum card, which has a $75 quarterly credit at Lululemon. So I spent $72. I activated 15% through Rakuten. So I ended up getting $10.80 cash back or 1,080 American Express points. Then by using my American Express Platinum card, I ended up getting 72 American Express points and I got the $72 credited back to my statement. So as you can see, this is a win-win-win. So I got free slides, free points, and I'm just another step closer to my travel goals. Another example is I just booked one night accommodation in Tijuana through Expedia. So Expedia had 11% cash back that was on offer. So of course I wanted to take that up because I know I have this trip coming up. So the hotel stay is $294. And with the 11% cash back, that was actually $28.71 cash back or 2,900 points. And I also got my regular credit card points on top of that as well. So as you can see, the stacking potential can be really awesome. And what I love about this as well is it's just items that I'm purchasing anyway. So whenever you're shopping, don't forget to use the Rakuten app or the browser. It also works for some in-store purchases. So just check on the app and it'll tell you if it's online or in-store only. And I also love that when I'm using my laptop and I might just go and look at a store and I might forget that they're actually on Rakuten, but because I've got the browser extension installed, it'll pop up and say, hey, we've got a good deal here with Rakuten. Do you want some cash back? And then it'll just remind me to click activate or shop now. And I just love that that browser feature just helps me to never miss out on earning cash back or points. Okay, my friends, so as you can see, Rakuten has so much potential. So use my referral link in the description box below. And when you spend $50 within the first 90 days, you'll actually get $50 cash back. So sign up, get that bonus and start stacking up those rewards and start planning on what you're going to spend your cash back and your points on. So I'll link my favorite credit cards down in the description box below. So these are all my favorite cards that I use like daily or weekly, and I'm able to stack up tons and tons of points. And of course, I'll link my Rakuten referral link down there too. So drop me a comment down below and let me know if you've been using Rakuten or if you're curious about Rakuten. If you've got any questions, drop them all down below. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.